Store-bought ketchup is loaded with sugar, but today I'm going to show you how to make your own easy sugar-free ketchup in just 5 minutes. No cooking required. This recipe will use simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. We'll start off with 6 ounces of tomato paste, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar replacement, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon allspice, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix everything thoroughly. Then add water gradually until it's a consistency you like. I used about 1/4 cup. Then you'll want to pour it into the container you want to store it in. And that's it. Homemade ketchup that's sugar-free and perfect for dipping, burgers, or anything you'd like to use it on. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.